Yeah. Uh, Before coming here, at least we had two IO sectors in other sectors, and we were actually a little disappointed. But and then one friend of ours suggested Ajit to visit this center, and so we came for the first time. We consulted Dr. Shweta, and straightforward, she didn't ask us to go for the IVF. She asked us to go for the IVF first. And the way she talked in the first meeting itself, we knew that this is the sector which can make a difference and can fulfill what we are looking for. So yes, the first meeting, like, I'll not forget, because the way she explained everything, Dr. Shweta is every minute detail she explained, and it was really, really good. And thereafter, we went for two IV cycles, and unfortunately, a result was negative. Then we can lose hope. Even the staff and the all the other doctors, Dr. Meeta, Kunjan, and everybody was so supportive and during the cycle, but I mean, there's no scare or something like that, because with IVF, you always scares something like that happening to a body, to woman's body. So that is something which eventually went away with the treatment and all the suggestions given by the doctors. Then finally, we the conception happened with the IVF, and we are very, very fortunate to all the doctors with the support staff throughout the journey. They have been very, very the hospitality has been really, really good. Not even a single person I can count to has been even a little harsh to us or anything like that. So it has been a very smooth journey for us, and we will definitely gonna recommend to this or anybody who's looking for such kind of help, so they can visit this center and take advantage of this.
And I would just like to add on that since many people think that IES is scary and you have to go through a lot of injection and everything, it is a little true. But here, when we came and I explained to the doctor that I don't want to go through unnecessary injection, because we had been hearing cases about other people who have been getting treatment from other centers, but they have been going through numerous injections. But Dr. Shweta listened and everybody else listened, and they just gave me bare minimum injection which was required for the egg retrieval, and that really helped. So it is just an emotional journey, but here the experience was so wonderful. Everybody was so helpful. They even listened to your case and then accordingly design your treatment plan. It is not like a standard treatment plan, it is like a design treatment plan just specifically for you and your body, what is required. And just to a 1 month journey, it's a fruitful experience. And just 1 month, it just everybody is so scared of IVF and all. I would suggest, like, if all the other ways have failed, everybody should consult and go for like IVF conception if other treatments have completely failed and no, but and natural birth is not happening, then definitely. And here, after that also, after conception also, our 3 months journey have been so smooth. Every scan, every explanation, every treatment, every any other process, anything, they have been explaining it so well and so nicely that our journey has been so good till now. So I would like to recommend this to everyone who is looking for their fertility journey and who wants to go towards a healthy conception. So thank you everyone, and thank you all to all the staff of Ziva who has made our journey successful, and I hope we continue with our successful journey in the future as well.
Right.
Yeah.
And lastly, I would say, like the IVF misconception, just don't read the Google reviews and whatever it is. Come here, have a consultation with Dr. Shweta, Abhita, and who is available. They are going to change your mind for good. So please come here if you want to looking for a help in this area. Thank you.
Thank you so much.